My gosh, I don't know what's going on out here. What are these? Golly. I wonder if they'll come back. Oh wait, they're sitting in the trees. See if I can. There's one. What is that? My goodness, what is it? There it is again. It looks kind of like a robin. Well, I am so excited. I have never seen a cedar waxwing before. And there was a whole flock of them here with several robins mixed in and yellow-rumped warblers and house finches and a few other birds. Wow! I went right outside and tried recording the birds that were still around, and this is what I got. What is this? Well, I never realized that robins have that white stuff around their eyes. Oh my goodness, how about that? I've just never seen them this close up before. In with the little flocks of birds were, of course, yellow-rumped warblers, which you see here. I know that this is a yellow-rumped warbler rather than a pine warbler because earlier I saw the little yellow spot when it parted its wingtips. So that's the yellow-rumped warbler that has that. And, of course, house finches. I'm only showing one here, but normally there's about 5 or 6 of them fluttering around the bird feeders. I love these close-up videos because I can see things about the birds that there's no way you can see just looking normally or when they're in flight, unless you have some really good binoculars and a quick eye.